Welcome back mga ka-joy, and let's make a simple chocolate moist cake. Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World! Para sa dry ingredients, kailangan natin ng 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we have our 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. We will just mix in all our dry ingredients, but before we must have to sift our flour. Para siguradong walang lumps o walang bukol-bukol ng ating mga dry ingredients, we can sift them all. You can also add 1 sachet of coffee because it's going to add some taste of your chocolate. After mixing all together, set aside. Para sa mga wet ingredients, we need 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Una, kunin ang 2 itlog. Then, beat it. After beating your eggs, mix the milk, oil, and the vanilla. It's now time to combine your dry and wet ingredients. And then mix all together. If you have a hand mixer, pwede mo din gamitin yon para di ka masyadong mapagod. And the magic for this simple chocolate moist cake is from adding 1 cup of boiling water. Mapapansin nyo medyo thin yung ating butter, but it's just normal. When it is cooked, it's gonna be awesomely moist. For this recipe, I prepared 2 7-inches pan, and kailangan ko lang siyang i-pour evenly so that I can have 2 separate cakes kasi ipapatong natin siya. You can also have 2 9-inches pan for this. Bake it for 30 minutes in 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Ta-da! Now it is completely baked. So, cool and set aside. Now let's prepare the dark chocolate ganache. You can prepare 1 pack of all-purpose cream and 150 grams of dark chocolate. You can also have more of it if you want. It is my first time to make a ganache, so bear with me. First, we have to warm our cream. Guys, huwag nang antayin na kumulo ang cream. Papahit mo lang to saglit. And then, incorporate mo na yung chocolates. You'll see or you'll notice na the chocolates will melt with the warmness of your cream. If you see it na medyo malabnaw pa, you can add more chocolate. For a tetra pack of cream, you can have a maximum of 400 grams of dark chocolate para di masyadong mapait. The thicker your ganache, the easier for you to decorate your cake. It's now time to assemble your cake. You can prepare a plate or your cake board. Then, since 2 layers siya, let's put in first on the first layer. Kung napansin nyo, medyo manipis yung aking ganache. So, for your convenience, you can add more dark chocolate when you are going to make your ganache. If you notice it, it's also simple. Then ipapatong mo yung second layer. Then remove your baking paper. And then just pour in that ganache. So the remedy I have for this cake, since medyo hindi thick yung aking ganache, after putting in all of the chocolate ganache, I put it inside the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and then take it out again from the freezer, and then I am able to manipulate the ganache. Kita nyo, parang fountain. But don't worry, you can still manage on it. So after managing your cake to be able to have this kind of form, medyo malinis na, using our spatula, so you can now put in your chocolate sprinkles. Ayan, almost done. And there. Your simple chocolate moist cake. It is so simple lang, diba? But I know you have your own recipe for a chocolate cake, so you can also do that. And then with the ganache, you can follow or add more of the chocolate that you need and have a very good tasting dark chocolate moist cake. And here, a piece of slice so that we can taste the labor of our baking. Now let's have a piece of it. Look at that. And sarap. Okay mga ka-joy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.